As an employment lawyer for first responders here in the state of California, I have been observing a narrative by certain public officials and certain media outlets that appear to say that they believe that there is this huge hole in the LA City budget because of employment law payouts. I completely disagree with that because I not only have lived it, but I have done my research. And this is what I'm looking at is a bar chart from the city of Los Angeles, from the controller, and you will notice that the number one payout category is dangerous condition at 145 million. That's people tripping over sidewalks and things of that nature, buildings not being maintained. 145 million, that is the result of decades of neglect. Now, number two, traffic collisions, 88 million. So people who have city vehicles apparently can't drive. So when you add 145 and 88, that's what, $240 million? Okay, there's the problem. Teach people to drive, fix the sidewalks, we're good. But no, of course, there's excessive force. I get it. 67 million. General municipal liability, I don't even know what that is, 64 million. And then the lowest category of the significant categories is employment, $56 million. Now, I'll scroll up so you can see that this is, it'll give you the time period. So this is 2020 to 2023. Okay, so let's dig a little deeper. And now I did a Public Records Act request for all payments from 2020, 2021, 22, and 24. And here's the list. Let's take a look. The top 10, which are in green, have nothing to do with employment, because here it is. Municipal liability, 57 million. A land use, what's the land use settlement? It doesn't say. Well, there it is, 38 million. Use of force, 23. That means somebody was catastrophically injured. Use of force, 17. Traffic collision, 11. Traffic collision, 11. Oh, here's our friend dangerous condition, 10 million, 10 million, 10 million. And then taxes, I guess the city screwed something up on taxes. That's 9 million. The first employment case is 7 million, and it's Thomas Malcolm. Wasn't my case, so I don't know what that is. And that's 7 million. But the next highlighted employment case, Stacy Vince, that is my case. And the payment was 5.8 million. And this is one of those cases that I begged the city to settle for a fraction of that number. They made me go to trial. They paid me 5.8 million. And the companion case, Lou Vince, her husband, they paid out 5 million. I tried to settle that case for a fraction of that. So put the two Vinces together, 5 million, 5 million. It's 10.8 million. I tried to settle both of those cases for a fraction of that. So it is a misnomer. The cases, the settlements, and the verdicts that are driving the budget issue with respect to lawsuits are, as their own graph shows. Let's scroll down again. Okay, where are we? Dangerous condition, traffic collision, excessive force, municipal liability, and labor and employment. So it's not labor and employment. And again, the question is, why are they not settling cases? They ended up paying my clients $10.8 million when I tried to settle the cases, both of them, for a fraction of that. So that's the real story. If you want to look at this information yourself, DM us. I'll send you the link for the webpage, and I will send you the Excel spreadsheet from our Public Records Act request.